Yeah, welcome students, welcome to my channel. Today I came to you to give some suggestions and some tips to the students, those who are going to appearing the JEE advanced exam, which is going to be conducted this 27th of this month. Yeah, the students, I hope that you are prepared very well, no doubt about it, and there is a only 3 to 4 days of time is there, only 3 to 4 days time is there. Okay, now I am going to giving that somewhat suggestions. Okay, in these 3 to 4 days, so how we are going to revise, how we are going to totally practice all the formulas. I am going to giving that somewhat suggestions about the quick revision of JEE advanced exam. Particularly I am going to discussing about that mathematics. Okay, yeah, and if you are really aspirant to get a IIT, okay, and I think for each and every subject you are going to take that solidly 2 hours. Am I right on it? Daily you are going to preparing that solidly 2 hours, for maths 2 hours, physics 2 hours and chemistry 2 hours. Am I right on it? Okay, so simply the time is 2 hours. Okay, but I know how much it is difficult for preparing that continuously 2 hours. Yeah, that is what I am saying, that if you are really the IIT aspirant, okay, so you know that how to utilize the time, how to use that particularly the 2 hours of time for each and every subject. Okay, yes, okay, yeah, the students, I hope that you are prepared very well, no problem. Okay, and in this last 3 to 4 days, whenever you are going to writing that exam, the before 2-3 days are very important. The up to now you prepared that very well, and these days you are going to revising that all those things. Okay, yes, I am going to give that somewhat suggestions. Sure, I am sure that these suggestions will make you to help you, and you are going to get that 40 to 70% of the marks in that JEE advanced exam. Yes, sure. Okay, yes, coming to the mathematics, first of all I am going to discussing the topics complex numbers, matrices and determinants, okay, and sequences and series. Okay, when coming to the matrices, okay, I think already you are prepared very well, no problem, from the complex numbers, each and every topic of the complex numbers. Yeah, once again I am going to say this one, from the complex number, please focus on the topics modulus and amplitude, modulus and amplitude of a complex number and its applications, and Cooney method, Cooney method is there and its applications. Okay, totally the all the applications of geometrical applications of a modulus and amplitude. Okay, so please focus on that from the complex numbers. Okay, and here coming to the matrices and the determinants, and here is the linear equations. Okay, so particularly from the determinants, they are going to give in that applications of the determinants. Please focus on the applications of the determinants. Okay, so interlinked connections are there, interlinked is there, the determinant topic is interlinked with that calculus, like linked with the calculus and 2D geometry, 3D geometry, like that type of problems. Please focus on that, the interlinked problems which are interlinked with that calculus problems. Okay, particularly, and one more thing is the from the linear equations. So please revise that all the rules and regulations for consistency and inconsistency system of linear equations. What are the rules and what are the conditions for the existence of consistency and inconsistency. Okay, yes, that's about that matrices. Okay, so determinants and linear equations from the topic. Please focus on that once, revise that all those things. Okay, and coming to that sequences and series. Okay, sequence series applications only. Okay, I think you are already practiced that, particularly the problems from the arithmetic progression, particularly from the problems geometric and harmonic progressions. Okay, not only these, please practice the collect the problems. So the arithmetic, geometric, harmonic progressions are interlinked with the problems, please collect all those problems and you can revise all those things, and particularly arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean of inequalities. Okay, yes, from the JEE advanced exam compulsory we may expect that one question from the sequences and series. Okay, they may give that directly or indirectly, but that is a compulsory question from this sequence and series. Okay, students, okay, please focus on that these topics and about these applications and interlinked problems. Once again reminding you, interlinked problems. Okay, yes, yeah, students. So coming to that, the vector topics and 3D vector topics. Okay, yes, of course, obviously there will be a special focus on volumes and vector areas. So please focus that different collections of the problems, volumes and vector areas, and applications of projections. Of course, you know the projection of A on B, projection of B on A, projection of one vector on another vector, related to that interlinked problems of projections, and especially please focus on that. Okay, yes, every time I think we are going to get that question, solutions of vector equations, solutions of vector equations. So please focus on that. Okay, yes, and of course from the 3D also. Okay, and here from the vector equations, so please transform the equations from Cartesian form to vector form to Cartesian form, I mean symmetric form. Okay, we may get the questions. So please focus on that particular topic. And from that 3D geometry, apart from that direction cosines and direction ratios, so lines and planes related the concepts, please focus on that, lines and planes related the concepts, and particularly the conditions about the coplanarity. Okay, coplanarity and the shortest distance between the skew lines. Okay, and in order to this one, we may get more some concepts, image of a point with respect to line, image of a point with respect to the plane, image of a line with respect to the plane. Okay, yes, come on students, please focus on that these concepts. We may get a compulsory question. Okay, and interlinked questions, particularly these areas, projections and solutions of vector equations. Okay, students, come on, please go through these concepts. Yeah, students, coming to that calculus part, it is very important. Okay, the paper setters generally, whenever they are going to setting the paper, advanced paper, so they may focus firstly compulsory, they may focus more concentration on calculus part, algebra part. Okay, yes, like this. So coming to that calculus part, functions, limits, continuity and differentiability. Of course, you prepared that, no problem. And once again revise that the topics, particularly the properties of continuity and differentiability on closed interval AB. Okay, please focus on that continuity and differentiability of a different functions which they have given that on closed interval of some particular interval or AB, and the counter examples also, is it differentiable or not. Okay, yes, I like that. And intermediate value theorem and its applications, I think you know this one, intermediate value theorem and its applications. Okay, and all the types of all the applications of monotonicity, I mean increasing function and decreasing function. I mean it is not like this, increasing function means simply f dash of x greater than 0, increasing function f dash of x less than 0, decreasing function, not like that. Okay, and its applications, graphical knowledge, graphically how it is increasing in that particular interval, is it increasing or not, is it decreasing or not, at that particular point is it increasing, is it decreasing in that particular interval, what is the nature of that particular function. Okay, so please focus on that applications. Okay, and location of the roots of that algebraic functions, location of the roots. Okay, and transcendental equations, transcendental which are not algebraic equations, which are not algebraic, that are called transcendental equations. I mean logarithms associated with some trigonometry functions and exponential functions, like this, logarithm of sin x is equals to e power minus x, like this, there is no algebra functions, logarithmic, exponential, inverse trigonometry functions which are called transcendental equations. Okay, yes, so please focus on that type of interlinked problems. And of course obviously you will focus that mean value theorem, so Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem, Cauchy's mean value theorem. Okay, yes, so please come on, please focus on that. From that limits, functions, limits, continuity, differentiability and applications of derivatives, you may get that interlinked problems, please focus on that, you can revise that. Okay, that's about from the calculus. Yeah, so and coming to applications of integration, applications of integration, of course obviously which topic you are going to concentrate. So while revising that the previous papers, so you may get one idea, So, methods of integration, methods of solving the rational and irrational functions. So, in the direct subjective questions also we get that the methods of solving the rational and integrational, I mean rational and irrational integration. So, please focus on that. Okay, we may expect that questions. Okay, yes, on that methods, and obviously properties of the definite integration on that interval AB, and here as interlinked problems, properties of definite integrals of some calculus problems also, okay, like modulus function, step function, algebraic function, I mean step function, modulus function, and it is a fractional part of x, and monotonicity like this. Okay. So, properties of the definite integration which are interlinked with that calculus part. So, please focus on that one, and monotonicity of applications, and particularly please focus on that geometrical applications, and those geometrical applications which are interlinked with the differential equations, geometrical applications which are interlinked with the differential equations, and areas under curve, that will be very important, areas under curve, and not only like this, areas under curve which are interlinked with that some functions, step functions, modulus functions, and greatest integer functions. Okay. Yes, like this. Okay. Please focus on that applications of integration and areas under curve. Once revise that all those topics, integral. Okay. Yes, come on please. Yeah, coming to that coordinate geometry, yeah, generally the paper setters, IIT paper setters, they will focus on that concentration on coordinate geometry, especially circles and conic sections. Okay. Yes, anyway, from the circles, okay, we are going to revise that all the models and all the topics, and please focus on that, especially the family of circles, which are in the form of s plus lambda L equals to 0, s plus lambda s dash equals to 0. Okay. Equation of a circle, family circle which is passing through point of intersection of a circle, s is 0 and L is equals to 0, which is in the form of s plus lambda L equals to 0. Equation of a family of circle passing through point of intersection of two circles, s and s dash, in the form of s plus lambda s dash equals to 0. And for the two intersecting curves, find out the common tangents, common normals, and what about their conditions, and what is the maximum and minimum area of some particular triangle, or it may be equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, which is inscribed or circumscribed the circle. Okay. Yes, please focus on that, and particularly the interlinked calculus oriented coordinate geometry, please focus on that, and angle between the intersecting curves, whatever it is the curve is, I mean parabola is intersecting with that circle, or ellipse is inserting with that circle, and find the angle between the two curves like this. Okay. Please focus on that, and from the conic sections, they are going to give that direct questions from the conic sections. Okay. So, no need to worry from that, and again like that circles, please focus on that common tangents, normals, angle between them, and parametric form and its applications, and particularly from the circles and conic sections. So, the very important topic is, next time also we are going to expecting the question, which is chord with respect to a midpoint, Okay. Come on, please focus on that. This is the focusing the concepts from that coordinate geometry, circles and conic sections. Okay. Come on, go through the students. Yeah, coming to the trigonometry part, trigonometric equations, so inverse trigonometry, trigonometric equations and inverse trigonometry. Yeah, from the trigonometric equations, so please focus on that trigonometric inequalities. Okay, and the trigonometric inequalities, and number of roots in that particular equation, in that particular interval. Okay, and the transcendental equations, trigonometric equations, and graphical solutions. So, it may use that by solving that graphically, we may get that answers easily. Okay, graphical solutions, and in generally please focus on that direct, sometimes they may ask that directly or indirectly trigonometric equations. That is why I mentioned that particularly one equation with one variable, two equations with two variables, like this. Okay, and of course the standard rules and regulations for exercising the inverse trigonometry equations, and which involves with that interlinked with that our calculus. Okay. So, that is limits, continuity, derivatives, and integration and the properties. Okay. Yes, come on, please focus on this one. Okay. We may get that compulsory question from the trigonometric part. inverse trigonometry and trigonometric equations and graphical solutions. Okay, yes, and they are interlinked with arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, inequalities related interlinked with the trigonometry. Okay, please focus on that problems. Okay, come on. Coming to that algebra part, quadratic equations and inequalities. From the quadratic equations, nature of the roots of the quadratic equation and inequalities, in particularly the location of the roots of the quadratic equation. So, please focus on that, particularly the location of the roots of a quadratic equation. Alpha beta are the roots and they are satisfying that one particular condition. Alpha beta lies in between the two real numbers k1 and k2, or some real number k lies in between the two roots, or one of the root lie in between the interval k1 and k2, like that. Okay, and particularly the interlinked problems, location of the roots of the quadratic equation which are interlinked with that calculus and trigonometric terms. Okay, and inequalities. So, okay, sometimes so in advanced exam there may be a separate one question is there in that. Yes, coming to that, and particularly inequalities. So, sometimes they may give that a separate question in particularly from the inequalities. Okay, paper setters. So, okay, this is the very favorite question, inequalities, arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean, interlinked the questions based on this inequality. And for the inequalities, Cauchy's inequality, Jensen's inequality. Okay, please focus on these areas, we may get the question compulsory. Okay, yes, come on. Yes, coming to that next, one or more than correct answer type objective questions. So, please we may focus on this type of questions. Okay, so why? Because so here more than one or more than one answer correct of objective type questions. Okay, here they may give that one question and 4 options. You should check that each and every option is related to that particular question, is it related to that question or not. So, you should solve this, and suppose while solving the problem you are getting the first answer, yes it is the first answer, do not decide like this. Please check that second option also, please check that third option also, please check that fourth option also. Like this you can check that each and every option. Why? Because generally we may get the questions like this, they are going to give that options, and those 4 options are correct, but they are giving that in a different forms, So, that is why please focus on that one or more than objective type questions, more questions. Okay. So, you should focus that one, and each and every option you are going to check this one. Okay. So, and in the meanwhile, I mean in these 2 to 3 4 days, please more concentrate on this area. Okay. So, when coming to that the previous years of JEE advanced papers, I mean 3, 4, 5 years back, I think the paper setters, I think from Delhi, okay, on that particular year, I think from 2013 or 2014, particularly so many of the students lost in their these questions only, negative marking, I mean overconfidence, I mean just they are going to checking only 1 or 2 options only. Okay, yes. So, please focus on these questions, and comprehension and numerical and integers also. Yes, comprehension questions generally the students will waiting for that, by reading that comprehension where that the formula where they are going to give that like this. So, please do not expect that type of formula and like this. Why? Because it is advanced exam. Okay, they may give that interlinked questions. Okay, please focus on that, some different comprehension type of questions. Okay, do not expect that easy comprehension. Okay, yes, and numericals and integrals. So, please focus on that these areas. Okay, so you may get that easily. I hope that while practicing like this all these topics, compulsory you will get that 40 to 70% of the marks from that JEE advanced questions. Okay, and one more thing is, if you are confident that particular writing that answer, then only you can write that, otherwise you will lose the marks, you will lose that particular marks, negative marking also there. Okay, and one more thing is, one more very important thing is, whenever you are going to writing the exam, I mean starting the exam, please read that option, I mean please read the instructions very carefully, in which section they are giving that negative marks, in which section, particularly about the sections, please read that very carefully, and please do not answer the questions immediately. So, just wait for some time, read the questions carefully, check that options clearly, then only you can answer the question. That is very important for each and every bit, each and every minute is important. Okay. Yes students, so please go through that. I hope that you prepared well, and please follow these instructions. I think my suggestions will help to you and to get that a good rank in JEE Advanced 2020. All the best students, and at the end of the video I am going to give that the previous year's cutoff marks also category wise. Okay students, thank you for watching. All the best for our exam. Keep going on.